Hey everybody, Dan Hunter here. Apologies for the noise behind me. I'm currently 3D printing a little model house. You can kind of see the base of right there. Right now I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of how to code that little model using Tinkercad. Tinkercad Codeblocks, which is a really great simple tool. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to go to Tinkercad, I'm logged in, and go to Codeblocks and create new code block. I have my little directions cheat sheet here that will help me and will be included in the lesson. So I'm going to do a new design. And okay, so open a new project in Tinkercad Codeblocks. Great. I'm going to add a shape and a box shape. Okay, I'm going to add that there. And it looks like if I click this, the inputs, okay, as I see. Okay, so it looks like I got 20, 20, 20, 0, and 10. Alright, great. Then so I'm going to need to move that shape. So, oh, here's a move. And I'm going to move that to 0, 0. Okay, it looks like I'm just going to raise it up a little bit. And I'm going to put on roof, it looks like. Okay, here's a roof shape. And it looks like I'm going to scale a roof shape. So the purple ones, those are modifying, right? The shapes are the blue ones, okay? And for the input there, I'm going to scale it a little bit, it looks like. Make it a little bigger. 1.25. And then 1 and 1.25. 2.5. Okay, great. And it looks like I'm going to have to move it too. And we're moving it. 0, 0, 25. Okay. It's going to go on top of the house. Okay. I'm going to add, let's see, a polygon. I wonder what this is going to be. And I know I'm probably going to, yep, scale and move. Go down here, and grab a scale. And I'll move at the same time. Down here. And input. Polygon. Okay, I need to. Okay, input for the roof shape. Gotta go back to that. Sorry, 25. Okay, input for the polygon. So now 6, 0, and 1. Okay, that's what I have. And move that a little bit. And then for the scale, grab that. 0.2, 0.2, 0.5. 2, 5, and for the move, 5, 5, and 28. 5, 5, 28. Okay, and let's see the final 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to grab a pyramid. Need the color there. 4 sides, good, and a scale. And move. And the scale numbers, I'm making that a little smaller again. 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, and then 5, 5, 35. Okay, so these should be my 12 steps that I've just followed. And now let's see, we'll go step by step and see what it creates. Move that around a little bit, so we got a good view. And see the front and the right. Zoom in a little bit and move this over. Okay, step by step. Here we go. So there's the box. That's the main house. Okay, it looks like it's moved up to the ground floor. Next, we got a roof. Gonna make that bigger a little bit and move it up. Next, I think, ooh, this looks like a chimney. Move that up there to the roof. And finally, a little cap for the chimney. Up on top there. And there you have it. A nice little model house. I'm about halfway done with it, so I'm really excited. And I will post a picture when I'm done. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you guys learn a little bit about code blocks and the shapes, moving them around and sizing them. Have a good night.